We at the Clinton Foundation spend 90% of all the money that is donated. Bill and I have been involved in trying to help Haiti. The Clinton Foundation raised $30 million to help Haiti after the catastrophic earthquake. We've done things to help agriculture.
Everything you said was a fucking lie.
Former President Bill Clinton now forcing Haiti to drop tariffs on imported subsidized U.S. rice during his time in office. The policy wiped out Haitian rice farming and seriously damaged Haiti's ability to be self-sufficient.
Since 1981, it's maybe been good for some of my farmers in Arkansas. I am not pointing the finger at anybody. I did that. The lost capacity to produce a rice crop in Haiti to feed those people because of what I did, nobody else.
I hate you now and it feels so good. I hate you now.
Hillary, let me give you a word. First of all, the billions that you collected for these children here, only 2%. 2%.
If you love black people, why are you destroying Haiti? Why did you, Mr. Clinton, stop them from the rice that they were producing in Haiti to feed themselves?
The question went to pay for play. Do you want to talk about that?
But when it comes to Haiti, Haiti is the poorest country in our hemisphere.
I hate you now and it feels so good. I hate you now, never thought I would.
January 12, 2010. Haiti suffers a devastating 7.0 earthquake. More than 200,000 die, and over 100,000 buildings and homes are destroyed. Hillary's State Department, working with USAID, the United States Agency for International Development, would oversee America's relief effort. Within 4 days, U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton arrives. 2 days later, former President Clinton was on the ground. The government of Haiti set up the IHRC, Interim Haiti Recovery Commission, to coordinate. 2 men were named co-chairs of the IHRC Executive Committee, Haitian Prime Minister Jean-Max Bellarive and Bill Clinton himself.
The most important thing all the rest of us can do is give even small amounts of cash.
Well, you've got the Clinton Foundation here, but guess where they're at? In Port-au-Prince, willing and dealing at the Marriott, you know, trying to put money in their own pockets. Meanwhile, you got people here with their legs snapped, fractured backs, trying to get help, trying to get out of here, trying to seek the medical attention they deserve and they should have. And these people are more concerned with putting money in their own pockets and benefiting their lives and their families later on down the road. When you have people...
A number of members of the IHRC actually wrote a letter expressing their concerns that they were not involved in the process, that all the decisions were being made by Clinton. The national priorities of Haiti were basically being totally disregarded by the decisions that were being made.
I did that.
I hate you now and it feels so good. I hate you now, never thought.
You've got like the head of the Senate saying that the Clintons tried to bribe him. You've got local leaders saying how the Clintons do nothing, how they just collect all the money. And it just brings home, these people are damn evil.
She takes a tremendous amount of money, and you take a look at the people of Haiti, and I want to tell you, they hate the Clintons. Because what's happened in Haiti with the Clinton Foundation is a disgrace. And you know it, and they know it.
I hate you now and it feels so good. I hate you now, never thought.
Clinton fund money have you seen actually put in the hands of Haitians?
Absolutely nothing right now. They're already digging their fingers in Haiti before it happened, and then when that catastrophic event took place, they seized it, jumped in here, and then took a hold of that natural disaster and then used it as a way to benefit themselves.
And we have absolute proof that the Clintons have put nothing into Haiti other than getting a gold mine for Hillary's brother and their rich friends.
I hate you now and it feels so good. I hate you now, never thought I would.
A connection to the Clintons.
You had to have relationships with the Clinton.
Haiti's rich mineral wealth.
Extraction and gold mining in the country. The first issued in 50 years in Haiti.
The most celebrated project of all. And one company that got a rare gold permit was VCS Mining, which didn't actually have much mining experience, but would soon have Hillary Clinton's brother, Tony Rodham, on its board.
I hate you now and it feels so good.